Let's break down epoxy versus polyurea garage floor, which is better. Here's what you need to know. Epoxy costs 3 to 8 per square foot. Polyurea runs 8 to 15 per square foot but lasts longer. Compare durability, cure time, and maintenance to pick the right garage floor coating. Quick answer. Epoxy costs 3 to 8 per square foot and lasts 5 to 10 years. Polyurea costs 8 to 15 per square foot and lasts 10 to 15 years. Polyurea cures faster, 4 to 8 hours, and handles humidity better, making it ideal for North Carolina garages. Epoxy is more affordable upfront and easier to repair. Choosing between epoxy and polyurea garage flooring is one of the most common decisions homeowners face when protecting their concrete. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. Both coatings deliver durable, attractive finishes, but they differ significantly in cost, cure time, longevity, and performance in North Carolina's humid climate. This post breaks down the real differences so you can make an informed choice based on your budget, timeline, and garage environment. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009. The company has hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, Winston-Salem, and the Lake Norman area, serving homeowners throughout the state. Both epoxy and polyurea coatings are applied over existing concrete garage slabs to protect against oil stains, moisture, and foot traffic, and the choice depends on budget, climate, and expected wear. Epoxy typically costs 3 to 8 per square foot with a 5 to 10-year lifespan, while polyurea runs 8 to 15 per square foot and can last 10 to 15 years in North Carolina's variable humidity. Unlike contractors who collect deposits up front, Local Concrete funds all materials and labor in full, requiring payment only when the work is complete, protecting homeowners from the common contractor disappearing act. Moving on to epoxy versus polyurea. The core differences. Epoxy and polyurea are both two-component resin systems, but they're chemically distinct and perform very differently in real-world garage environments. Epoxy is a thermoset polymer created by mixing a resin and hardener. Polyurea is a reaction product of isocyanate and polyols. The chemical differences translate directly to curing speed, flexibility, UV resistance, and cost. Epoxy cures slowly, typically 24 to 72 hours to initial hardness, which gives it excellent flow and leveling properties. The slow cure means deeper cross-linking and outstanding chemical resistance to oils, cleaners, and mild solvents. Epoxy also adheres extremely well to concrete and provides a hard, rigid finish that's resistant to impacts and abrasion. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.